Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Paris-based cryptocurrency company, the Blockchain Group, plans to raise over $340 million for its Bitcoin treasury, signaling continued institutional adoption of crypto in Europe. Well, the $340 million round structure is inspired by the US practice of at-the-market offerings. Now, shares will be sold at market conditions initiated by the company's counterparty, subject to a pre-agreed volume. The raise will be carried out in tranches with pricing based on the higher of the previous day's closing price or the volume-weighted average price capped at 21% of that day's trading volume, the announcement said. Dubai's real estate market surged in May, posting record sales volumes and transaction values that signal growing investor confidence and potential readiness for property tokenization. Now, according to data shared in a press release by real estate platform Property Finder, Dubai's real estate sector reached a total sales value of about $18.2 billion across 18,700 transactions in May. Now, these figures indicate a 44% year-on-year surge in transaction value and a 6% rise in sales volume. Ripple on Monday said it has partnered with the Web3 Salon project by the Asia Web3 Alliance Japan to fund XRPL startups in Japan. The company will offer grant funding of up to $200,000 per project as part of the XRPL Japan and Korea Fund and Ripple's broader $1 billion XRP commitment. Now, Ripple and Web3 Salon will co-host 4 major community events until March 2026, and the event's agenda included highlighting Japan's blockchain innovations, investor networking sessions, and educational workshops. The Litecoin Foundation has just announced the Nexus wallet, making it possible for all the enthusiasts to download it both on Google Play and on the iOS App Store. When announced on June 7, 2025 via the Litecoin Foundation's official tweet, the Litecoin Wallet 2.0 became a reliable and useful tool for those using LTC. Nexus Wallet, especially for Litecoin, offers various useful features to benefit users and make this service easy to use. It features atomic swaps between BTC and Litecoin, fully supports SegWit, and offers MWEB for improving the level of privacy. Nasdaq has formally submitted a rule change proposal to the US SEC to add 4 new cryptocurrencies to its flagship Nasdaq crypto index, including XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Stellar. Now, if approved, this would mark a significant expansion beyond the current Bitcoin and Ethereum coverage, bringing the total index constituents to 6. The move reflects growing institutional interest in diversifying crypto exposure beyond just 2 leading digital assets. Sonium, the Ethereum overlay blockchain linked to 78-year-old Japanese electronic giant Sony, unveiled a new incubator program, Sonium for All, to accelerate consumer and gaming applications within its 7 million user blockchain ecosystem. So as crypto continues its march into the mainstream, traditional technology companies, the Apples and Ubers of this world, are looking to the tech to commercialize their future operations. The Sony Block Solutions Labs, the builder of Sonium, used the Optimism OP stack, a fast and cheap layer linked to Ethereum, for bridging the gap between Web2 and Web3 audiences, especially for the creators, fans, and community. After the successful launch of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, the crypto community is now abuzz with the idea of a meme coin ETF. Originally proposed by crypto trader Vladcoin, the concept envisions an actively managed fund that invests in high-performing meme coins while offloading weaker ones. Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Patona supports the idea, stating there's a really good chance such an ETF could launch by 2026. And while he acknowledges the timeline may be gradual, his comments have fueled speculation that meme coins could soon find a place in mainstream investment portfolios. Bitcoin-focused decentralized finance platform Alex Protocol has launched a Treasury grant program to reimburse users affected by a recent exploit that resulted in over $8 million in losses. According to a June 8 announcement, the program will provide financial support through a combination of original tokens and USDC equivalents, depending on the type of asset lost. So according to an earlier update, payout amounts are based on average on-chain prices observed from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. UTC during the incident. Notifications and claim instructions were sent to affected addresses by June 8. Sui network-based CETIS protocol has launched or relaunched with a new roadmap, open source plans, and a compensation program following a $223 million exploit. The decentralized exchange unveiled its post-relaunch strategy in a June 8 blog post, outlining measures to enhance protocol security, upgrade monitoring system, and transition towards full open sourcing. A newly structured White Hat bounty program has also been introduced to support community-driven security efforts. According to the team, all affected CLMM pools have now been replenished using a combination of recovered assets, Treasury funds, and a $30 million loan from the Sui Foundation. WorldCoin officially launches its biometric identity verification project in London, spearheading a significant expansion across the UK with innovative AUP technology. The initiative, led by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, aims to bolster digital identity security while addressing growing concerns around AI-driven fraud. Well, WorldCoin's native token WLD has demonstrated notable market activity, currently trading at approximately $1.10 with a market cap of near $1.76 billion. Now, over the past 2 months, WLD has appreciated by over 55%, reflecting investors' growing interest amid the project's expansion. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.